Hello guys, this is Pawan Kumar and you're watching RKB Studies. In this video, we are going to solve 10 important questions of trigonometrical equations. All these questions have been asked in JEE mains examinations. Now let's try to solve each one of them. So पहला question है, let S be the set of all alpha which belongs to real numbers such that the equation cos 2x plus alpha sin x equal to 2 alpha minus 7 has a solution, then S is equal to. Okay, so this is the equation cos 2x plus alpha sin x equal to 2 alpha minus 7, which is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x plus alpha sin x equal to 2 alpha minus 7. How it came? Cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay, so this gives us 2 sin square x minus alpha sin x plus 2 alpha minus 8 equal to 0. Okay, so if you take 2 common from this one, 2 sin square x minus 4. Okay, and if we take minus alpha common from these two, we will get sin x minus 2 equal to 0. Now this we can write further, 2 sin square x minus 2 square, so sin x minus 2 sin x plus 2 minus alpha sin x minus 2 equal to 0. Now if you take sin x minus 2 common, sin x minus 2, it will be 2 sin x plus 4, okay, minus alpha equal to 0. Now over here this can be 0 or this can be 0, but this is impossible because sin x cannot be 2. Okay, why? Because the value of sin ranges from minus 1 to 1. Okay, so it cannot be 2, so this is you cannot take. In this one we will have 2 sin x plus 4 minus alpha equal to 0. So sin x will be alpha minus 4 upon 2. Okay, now just now I said that value of sin ranges from minus 1 to 1. Okay, so we can write that alpha minus 4 will be less than equal to 1 and greater than equal to minus 1. Okay, this gives us minus 2 less than equal to alpha minus 4 less than equal to 2. So from this alpha will be less than equal to 6 and greater than equal to 2. So we can say alpha belongs to 2 comma 6. So D is the right answer. दूसरा क्वेश्चन है, if 5 into tan square x minus cos square x equal to 2 cos 2x plus 9, then the value of cos 4x is. Okay, so 5 tan square x minus cos square x equal to 2 cos 2x plus 9. Okay, it is 9. We can write it this as 5 sin square x upon cos square x minus cos square x. And since we want to convert this into cos 2x or cos x, then we will use the identity of cos x. So we will multiply 2 on top and 2 on bottom. Okay, this gives us 2 cos 2x plus 9. Now 5. 2 sin square x in the form of cos x we can write as 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 cos square x in the form of cos we can write as 1 plus cos square x minus cos square x equal to 1 plus cos 2x upon 2 equal to 2 cos 2x plus 9. Now many of you might be not understanding this. Okay, so let me write this. Cos of 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, and same thing we can write in 1 minus 2 sin square x. So applying this identity we can write this thing into this. Now to solve this out we can write cos 2x as, let's say, y. So considering cos 2x equal to y, so 5 into 1 minus y upon 1 plus y minus 1 plus y upon 2, okay, equal to 2y plus 9. Now let's solve this one. 2 into plus y, 2 minus y, 2 minus 2y minus whole square of this. So it will be 1 minus y square minus 2y equal to 2y plus 9. 2y, 2y, 4y, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 4y minus y square. This will be equal to, this will be multiplied with this one, 2 into 1 plus y into 2y plus 9. 2 into, this will be 2y plus 9 plus 2y square plus 9y. This will give 4y plus 18 plus 4y square plus 18y. This side will give 5 minus 20y minus 5y square. Now 4y plus 18y, 22y plus 18 plus 4y square. Okay, 42y and plus 9y square plus 13 equal to 0. So 9y square plus 42y plus 13 equal to 0. So 13 9 ja 117, and we can write this as 39 into 3, 117. 3 9 ja 17, 3. Okay, this is right. So we can write as 9y square plus 3y plus 39y plus 13 equal to 0. Taking 3y common, 3y plus 1 plus taking 13 common, 3y plus 1 equal to 0. This gives 3y plus 13, 3y plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, this implies 3y plus 13 equal to 0, y equal to minus of 13 by 3, or y is equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay, so we took y as cos x, cos 2x. Okay, so cos 2x minus 13 by 3, and cos 2x is minus 1 by 3. Now if you see clearly, this is not possible because the value of cos theta ranges from minus 1 to 1. Okay, over here it is more than 1. We will take this one. So cos 2x is minus 1, and they are asking about the cos 4x. Cos 4x we can write as 2 cos square 2x minus 1. Okay, this is the formula which we used in the last slide. Okay, it will be equal to 2 into square of 1 by 3, 1 by 9 minus 1, 2 by 9 minus 1, minus of 7 by 2. This is the right answer. तीसरा question, the general value of theta satisfying the equation 2 sin square theta minus 3 sin theta minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 sin square theta minus 3 sin theta minus 2 is equal to 0. By factorizing, we can do like 2 sin theta so taking 2 sin theta common and theta minus 2 plus taking 1 common and theta minus 2 equal to 0. From this we can take sin theta minus 2 as common. So sin theta minus 2 as common, 2 sin theta plus 1 बराबर 0. So this can be 0 or this can be 0. Sin theta is equal to 2, which cannot be possible. Okay, because the value of sine lies between minus 1 to 1. So this will be possible. Sin theta will be minus 1 by 2. Now they are asking in the form of change. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So minus 5 by 6. Or the multiples of it. So just try to see which one is giving you minus 5 by 6. Just putting a value of. So now putting the value n equal to 1 in these options, we will see which one gives us minus 5 by 6. So putting the value of 1, we will get, from this one we will get pi, here minus 1, so pi plus pi by 6. No, in this one pi plus, it will be minus. Okay, pi plus pi by 2. No, in this one pi plus minus pi by 6. So 6 pi minus 5 upon 6 is giving us pi by 6, which is also wrong. We need minus pi by 6. This will be pi plus minus 7 pi by 6. 6 pi minus 7 pi upon 6. We will get, this is the right answer. Next question. The general solutions of sine x minus 3 sine 2x plus sine 3x equal to cos x minus 3 cos 2x plus cos 3x is. So in this question we will use two formulas. One is sine a plus sin b, which is equal to 2 sin a plus b divided by 2 into cos a minus b divided by 2. And second one, cos a plus cos b will be 2 cos a plus b divided by 2 into cos a minus b divided by 2. Okay, so considering this side, we will apply this formula in this part. So now let's solve this one. First we will write as sin x plus sin 3x minus 3 sin 2x equal to cos x plus cos 3x minus 3 cos 2x. Okay, now applying this formula in this part. So 2 sin x plus 3x, 4x upon 2 is 2x. Okay, multiplied by cos of x minus 3x, that is minus 2x, minus 2x upon 2 minus x, minus 3 sin 2x. Applying this formula in this part. Similarly, cos x plus 3x is 4x divided by 2. Okay, cos of 2x minus no x minus 3x, same here. Now taking sin 2x common, 2 cos x, cos minus theta equal to cos theta. Okay, it will be 3. This side taking cos 2x common, 2 cos x minus 3. Okay, this is cancelled. Sin 2x equal to cos 2x. This gives tan 2x equal to 1. So 2x will be multiples of pi by 4. Okay, x will be pi by 8 plus and pi by 2. Pi by 8 plus and pi by 2. This is पांचवा क्वेश्चन. द वैल्यू ऑफ थीटा lying between theta equal to 0 and theta equal to pi by 2 and satisfying the equation. Okay, we need to find the value of theta between 0 to pi by 2, which will satisfy this equation. It will have more than one correct answer type question. Okay, so if we see this carefully, we need to simplify this. Okay, so applying r3 as r3 minus r1 and r2 as r2 minus r1, so we will get 1 plus sine square theta cos square theta and here 4 sine 4 theta. Here it will be minus 1 1 and 0. This will be minus 1 0 and 1 equal to 0. Now applying c1 as c1 plus c2, we will get 2 cos square theta 4 sin 4 theta 0 1 0 minus 0 1 0 1 equal to 0. This implies 2 plus 4 sin 4 theta will be 0. This means sin 4 theta equal to minus 1 by 2. Now for sin 4 theta equal to minus 1 by 2, 4 theta will be n pi plus minus 1 to the power n minus pi by 6. Okay, then theta will be equal to n pi upon 4 plus minus 1 to the power n minus pi by 24. Okay, minus 1 multiply here n pi upon 4 plus minus 1 n plus 1 power and pi upon 24. So theta will be like this. And now we have to find the values between 0 and pi by 2. If we put n equal to 1, we will get pi by 4. N equal to 1, it will be 2. So 1 into pi 24, that is 7 pi by 24. 1 will be this. Now putting n equal to 2, it will be n equal to 2, it will be 2 pi upon 4, that is pi by 2 plus, if we put 2, it will be 3 minus 1 to the power 3 minus 1 into pi upon 20. Make this 24 12 pi minus pi by 24, it will give 11 pi divided by 4 24. So second will be this one. So these two answers are right. Sixth question है, the general value of theta satisfying the equation tan square theta plus sec 2 theta equal to 1 is, simplify this and make it in the form of tan square theta plus 1 upon cos 2 theta equal to 1. Okay, now cos of 2 theta in the form of tan, it will be 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. This gives us tan square theta plus write this thing 1 plus tan square theta upon 1 minus tan square theta equal to 1. Tan square theta minus, now multiply this tan square theta into 1 minus tan square theta plus 1 plus tan square theta equal to 1 minus tan square theta. Okay, so tan square theta minus tan to the power 4 theta plus 1 plus tan square theta equal to 1 minus tan square theta. This will be equal to 2 tan square theta minus tan to the power 4 theta plus 1 will be cancelled plus tan square theta equal to 0. This will be 3 tan square theta minus tan to the power 4 theta equal to 0. This gives us tan square theta. If we take common, we will have 3 minus tan square theta equal to 0. Now either this will be 0 or this will be 0. If tan square theta equal to 0 means tan theta is equal to 0. Okay, then theta will be n pi, and if 3 minus tan square theta equal to 0, this will give tan theta equal to root of 3 plus minus. This gives us theta equal to plus minus pi by 3 in the multiples of it, so we can write as n pi. So theta belongs to n pi comma n pi plus minus pi by. Seventh question, sec square theta equal to 4xy upon x plus y whole square is true if and only if. So we have to find which one is correct. It is also a more than one correct answer type. So first let's simplify this thing. So we know that sec square theta is greater than 1. Okay, so 4xy upon x plus y whole square will be greater than equal to 1. This means that 4xy will be greater than equal to x plus y whole square. Okay, now if I write this like x plus y whole square minus 4xy, this will be less than equal to 0. Okay, now simplify this, x square plus y square minus plus 2xy minus 4xy less than equal to 0. So this will be minus 2xy. X square plus y square minus 2xy less than equal to 0. This will be minus 1 x minus y whole square less than equal to 0. This gives us x equal to y. So x plus y will be 2x. Okay, but this cannot be 0. Okay, because this lies in the denominator. If it is 0, then it will be infinite or not defined. Okay, so this cannot be 0, so we can write that 2x cannot be 0. Okay, hence x cannot be 0. That will be one thing. X cannot be 0, x equal to y, and x cannot be 0. This one 0, x equal to y, and this cannot be 0. X equal to y and x cannot be 0. So these two are right. Eighth is the positive integer value of n greater than 3 satisfying the equation 1 upon sine pi upon n equal to 1 upon sine 2 pi upon n plus 1 upon sine 3 pi upon n is the positive integer value of n greater than 3. So let's simplify this first. We can write this as 1 upon sine pi upon n minus 1 upon sine 3 pi upon n equal to minus of, sorry, it will be plus 1 upon sine 2 pi upon n. Now taking the LCM, sine pi upon n to sine 3 pi upon, okay, sine 3 pi upon n minus sine pi upon n equal to 1 upon sine 2 pi upon n. Okay, now over here we will apply one formula, that is sine of a minus sine of b equal to 2 cos a plus b upon 2 into sine a minus b upon 2. Then we have over here 2 sine, no, 2 cos, over here it will be 2 cos a plus b upon 2, 2 cos a plus b, 3 pi 4 pi 4 pi upon 2, it will be 2 pi upon n into sine 3 pi minus pi 2 pi upon n, so it will be pi upon n. Okay, this will be equal to sine pi by n into sine 3 pi by n divided by sine 2 pi by n. Now over here we can apply the formula of sine 2a, that is 2 sine a cos a. Okay, so we will get 2 sine 2 pi upon n into cos 2 pi upon n equal to sine 3 pi upon n. Okay, this will be equal to sine 4 pi upon n. Okay, this thing we can write as sine 4 pi upon n equal to sine 3 pi upon n. Now since the values of sine this and this are equal, it means that these angles will also be equal, but we cannot write single like 4 pi upon n equal to 3 pi upon n. Okay, that will be wrong. So we can write as 4 pi upon n equal to pi minus 3 pi upon n. And solving this, we will get the value of n as 7. Ninth is all x satisfying the inequality cot inverse x whole square minus 7 cot inverse x plus 10 greater than 0 lie in the interval. So we can solve this and we can factorize. तो ये बन जाएगा this means cot of inverse x less than 2 or cot inverse of x is greater than 5. So by using the wavy curve method, we can write this as cot inverse of x equal to 2 and here cot inverse of x equal to 5. Okay, this will be positive, this will be negative. Now cot inverse x belongs to minus infinity to union 5 comma infinity. Okay, but we know that the range of cot inverse x is 0 comma 5. Okay, so we have to write this as cot inverse of x belongs to 0 comma 2. So x will be cot 2 infinity. So this will be right answer. 10th is the number of solutions of the equation 1 plus sine to the power 4x equal to cos square 3x, where x belongs to minus 5 by 2 to 5 by 2. In this equation, the range of this 1 plus sine 4x will be from 1 to 2 max. Okay, and range of cos square 3x will be 0 to 1. Okay, now these will be equal only if the value is equal in both of them, that is 1. So 1 plus sine to the power 4x equal to 1 equal to cos square 3x. Okay, this means that sine 4x equal to 0 and cos 3x equal to 0. Now it is given that x belongs to minus 5 pi by 2 to 5 pi by 2. So the values of x that will satisfy this, and this will be minus 2 pi and pi, 0, pi, 2 pi. So all these 5 solutions are possible solutions. So this is the right answer. So now this question is for you. Try to solve this question and write the answers in the comment section. So this was all about this video. Hope you find this useful, and if you learned something new, so please like this video, share with the friends, and subscribe this channel. Thank you.